Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to pin a conversation on Google Gemini app. So to do this, you just need to go to the Google Gemini app, open the application, and after opening the application, you just need to go to Recent in the middle of the screen and click on the arrow near to it, like this. And as you can see here, you will have the chats that you have in the last previous 30 days in front of you. Just to pin a conversation, and pinning a conversation means that this conversation always will be first. You just need to click on the three dots, and after that you will see these three options: pin, rename, and delete. You just need to click on pin, and as you can see here, your conversation is pinned, and you will see always this conversation as the first conversation on your Google Gemini app, and also when you use Gemini on your web browser. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.